This is my finished product. Finished garden box. Small one. Not too big, just enough to hold the essentials, what I need. Alright guys, this is about a week of the Porter Life garden. I did add the other bed in the video that I showed you. So in this bed I did have Kentucky green beans right here. I have peas growing right there, and they're gonna both trellis up the bamboo. I have corn right in this row right here that's gonna grow. I have spinach in this second row that's gonna grow right here. And then in this first row, I leave it open. That's gonna be for my potatoes. So I'm gonna dig those deep under and grow those in. Just made this bed, looks great. This is my second bed. As you can see, I'm starting to get tomatoes. Plants sprouting right there. That's exciting. I do have a lot of spinach plants coming up. I'm sorry, this is lettuce. So lettuce right there, you can see some creeping up over there. You see a lot right here. This is lettuce. And then right here, I have broccoli. So broccoli is sprouting right here in the front, which looks amazing. And then over here are carrots. So right here I have carrots sprouting a little bit. So that's great. A little more on the lettuce. So yeah, it's coming along. This is my cantaloupe. They're starting to, take form and they're starting to grow which way they want to grow. Jace. Tomato plant. Strawberries, cucumbers, jalapenos, basil. Hey, Porter Life Gardens here. So this is a week and a half of my garden. I had to actually turn off my soaker hose system because it was coated up underneath. I stuck my hand in about a fist deep and it was just all water. And I did read that, you don't want to drown your plants. You need to let them get oxygen to breathe. So I went ahead and turned off my soaker hose system and kind of just been hand watering. The thing about that is kind of hard playing with the soaker hose because you don't really know how to wire its water. It's kind of like a trial and error type thing. You want to make sure you're doing it correctly, but then you want to give it enough water. You want to make sure your plants are getting nutrients, but you want to make sure it's not getting too much. So that's what I've been doing. I've been playing with that, but I have to actually turn off my system, and I am hand watering right now. I'm just going back to the basics. That way I can feed it the correct amount of water it needs. Then once it shows that it's coming back to life and I'm not overwatering, then I'll turn my system back on and I'll kind of play with the numbers, from there. This is the third bed. So like I was saying, I have Kentucky beans and then peas that are going to trellis up those bamboo poles. And then I have corn in that middle row. I have lettuce. No, I'm sorry. I have kale in the front row, and then in that second row I do have my corn. So yeah, this is like I said, it's trial and error period, but I do want to show you my little sprouts that's coming up. So right here, like I was saying, I do have my tomatoes, and these plants are getting huge. I didn't think I, planted that many seeds, but I do see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sprouting so far, so that's exciting. See my tomato plant back here, and now I realize that I'm gonna need to get a way bigger wire cage for those, because in the back it says those are bush Goliath, meaning those things are gonna get huge. So as you can see, it's already grown out of the cage. I mean, this thing is gonna be monstrous. This is why I shut off the water, because you can see overwatering right there. Leaves are starting to fall and things like that. My cantaloupe's doing great. I am trying to train them to go up the poles, so they're getting bigger, and I kind of wrap that around, one in the back, one in the front. That's looking great. Watermelon. Funny story about these watermelon. I was trying to pick the regular heirloom watermelon,